welcome back to Unaided with James. I'm here in Austin, Texas with Stacy from Savage Master and Reed from the band Overdose. We've got 2 eggs today. We've got a Kinder Joy from America and Kinder Überraschung from Austria. And we're gonna try those out and do a little bit of a taste test. Maybe we'll talk about rock and roll. Cheers, thanks for watching, stay tuned. Alright, so obviously there's a lot of debate. Which egg is better? Some say USA all the way, some say the OG German chocolate is the way to go. Let's open them up and let's see what you guys think. So if you guys want to try a piece of this beautiful chocolat from Austria, and let me know what you think. It's been in there for weeks. You'll never know when you need to bust it out. And I don't want to be caught with egg on my face.
It's delicious.
So it's
I'm afraid I will choke on the toy though.
You could choke on the toy. And the reason is because you see the chocolat and then you see the yellow thing inside.
And you
you're
can
like,
put that in my throat.
Eat that whole thing
Yeah,
down.
of
But
course.
that is not edible.
Yeah.
It is in fact a plastic capsule and it has a lot of other chocolat toy pieces inside. We'll put that together and show you what's in there. But first we're going to check out Kinder Joy chocolat from the US. There's 2 guests here. You know, you can each have one of the beautiful crispy wafers.
This is 2 pounds.
The other side is the toy.
Maybe that side.
Yeah, so that's why they put it in here, because this is the side that we're eating chicken.
It's very dense.
A little dense, huh? Dense?
Just like America.
Just like America. Just like the riffs and tone of the band Overdose, featuring Reed. Now Reed, I noticed that the logo for Splattered Records kind of resembles a Neat Records logo. Do you have any favorite releases from Neat Records?
My favorite one was the one I did was the Blitzkrieg Buried Alive single.
Blitzkrieg Buried Alive single. So check it out.
Take me to your heart. Take me to your heart.
Here's our American pamphlet.
Any singles inside those eggs?
Maybe so. I don't know. We can't know what's inside the egg until it's been assembled. And sometimes this can take me hours. I don't know. Maybe you guys can have a race to see who can establish the toy first. The first one's better. What do you think, Stacey?
They're both good. I probably like the real Kinder better.
Real Kinder Überraschung.
The real one.
How's the tour been so far? Savage Master, Lucifer, and Overdose on tour.
Pretty great. We've got awesome tour mates. They do great shows every night. They're good people. We're loving it.
Any funny stories so far?
I wouldn't say funny, but we do have some stories.
Yeah, some tragic stories.
Tragic. This one's not a comedy. It's been good times.
I guess just a real basic question. Any influences you guys would cite for your own projects?
Yeah, all kinds of stuff
Savage Master.
for us. Is this a microphone or a Kinder
Yes,
egg?
this is a microphone.
Another house.
Yeah.
We like bands like Warlock,
Warlock,
Ross,
Zoropesh,
yeah.
Blackie Lawless.
Oh yeah, that stuff. Anything with like a big show,
Hell yeah.
really good music. That's
What do you think about AC/DC? We're currently hearing here in Austin on
love
stereo.
it.
perfect
Why
day.
is another perfect day the best one?
I don't think it's the best one, but I love it.
What do you think's the best one?
My favorite is probably Ace of Spades, the album.
Ace of Spades, you kind of want to, as a huge Motorhead fan, not be like, it's Ace of Spades, but it has the most bangers. It's got Dirty Love,
Yeah.
Jesus Better Than the Catch,
The Hammer.
The Hammer. it's
Love Me
got-
Like a Reptile.
Yeah, Love Me Like a Reptile. That's right, ladies. Favorite Motorhead?
Mine's another perfect day, actually.
Is
So
it?
there you go.
Alright. I think it's a great combination.
Where can I get one of these mics for using on stage?
Well, you gotta contact the Ferrero Corporation.
Wireless
Based
thing.
in Europe.
Wireless
Yeah,
thing,
and
like-
you'll just be singing into it. It's kind of like a respirator.
Girl, we need those desperately.
Yeah, under the mask.
Yeah.
You don't know about Savage Master. Most of the band is wearing a soggy mask on the stage. And you can just get that in there. Kind of like Dr. Satan from House of a Thousand Corpses. Anyway, the toys we have here are very high quality. Say what you want about America versus Europe. The toys are great. I've noticed that the European toys, the pamphlet is a nicer texture. See, like if you feel that, well, it's more of a plastic, and one kind of feels like paper.
I mean, they both probably come from China.
Yeah.
Both come from China. Shout out to China.
Shout out to China.
Probably all of this is from China.
All of this is from China. And it's been, what do you think about the rumor that there's a plastic wax coating in here that causes cancer? Because I read that on BuzzFeed.
Everything causes cancer.
Everything causes cancer except for the music of Savage Master and Overdose. And I've got a tape here from Debilitator.
Tapes
I
cause
only
cancer.
brought one because I thought I was going to be interviewing one person. So one of you guys is going to get this tape.
Okay, we'll arm wrestle for it.
Alright. Stay tuned, folks. There's going to be a Savage Overdose.
Cheers and thanks for watching.
Unegging with James.
So it's been a great time interviewing Stacy and Reed from the bands Savage Master and Overdose. Gracious hosts, they enjoyed some great chocolat and we got to see the toys from Kinder. I'm here now at one of my favorite bars in Austin. It's called Fraser's Long and Low. Great place for a cold mug of beer, great jukebox, and great staff. Cheers and thanks for watching.
Cheers. Skål.
Prost.
Cheers. Thanks for watching Unegging with Jim. I mean James. It's definitely James, 100%. Call him James if you see him, which you will. He's very famous and popular.